Welcome to today's how-to. Did you know that with YouLi, not only can you set a price for the whole trip, but you can actually customize that on a per-person basis. So first you have to make sure that your cost is finalized. And so you can see here, it'll look like this, final cost per person. Your screen might show that it has an estimate, like this. If that's the case, click Finalize Price, and then you can enter your number and select your currency from the drop-down list. Once you've set this, that means everyone who's invited to the trip will see the price as $3,000 and will be given the provided payment options selected below. However, perhaps you have someone going on the trip that will either pay more or less, maybe even zero. In which case you go to Manage People, and we come in to Edit Antonia, and we can see that I've already set a customized cost for her of $2,000. I can correct this and set it to $2,500. I can also make sure that the information that's shown below is accurate. Now, you don't always have to reference the number here, but that's just something that we find people commonly do. So be sure and make sure the text is accurately matched to the finalized price. This information is automatically pulled from the trip cost explanation and allows you to customize it to match the reason for the price change. For example, if it's because it's twin share instead of single supplement. So that allows you to make sure that the cost explanation matches that finalized cost for this individual. Once you're happy, click Update, and then you can view as Antonia to make sure it looks the way you expect it to. Now you can either click on the number here or click on See Payment Due. And you'll immediately see that Antonia is being told she owes $2,500. Now compare that to Martina. Let's check out what her customized price is. She is set to $0, probably because thanks for helping us organize. If she is a co-planner, she will probably not end up paying anything, so you want to set her price to $0. Now when we view as Martina, we'll see that she owes nothing, and so there's no prompt to pay at all. And so instead, she's prompted to complete her tasks. So that means you can have the default price on the trip, and then you can customize for each individual person by person based on those circumstances. And each one of them sees a different price alongside the exact same information and tasks and itinerary. So you get the best of all worlds, personalization without duplicating work. Hope you enjoyed today's how-to. Thanks for watching.